my mom really just set me out here to get the mail in a thunderstorm. But you know what? I might die. And you want to know something? That's okay. It's not even it. It's just rain now. It's not even thundering. The moment I come out here, it's not even thundering. Why did she make me do this shit? That shit just got in my fucking eye. The world just cummed in my eye. My mailbox is really far away. So no, this takes a minute. Special weather statement. Oh. Wait, this is really unflattering. There you go. That's hot. Oh, you shouldn't see my house though. Whew. Jeez. I gotta wait for fucking cars. My thing's across the driveway. Go, you fucking bitch. If I get struck by lightning, it's your fault. Because I could have been moving faster. This is stupid. There's not even any packages. It's so hot. Anyway, I smell like really bad right now. Hear that? Jeez. Oh, my house. Just move along. Look how pretty it is back there. My lips are crusty. Again, you know, it do be like that sometimes. What are you gonna do about it, you know?